Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over how you would be able to jump start your vehicle. Say your battery has gone weak and you're getting a click noise out of the solenoid, and so it's saying it doesn't have enough power. You should have anywhere above 12 volts in your battery. It should be generally sitting about 12.5 or more is what your battery resting should be at. If we don't have that much enough, your vehicle may not start, and or you left on the lights and the battery is completely dead. We can jump start it to get to a location where we can either fully charge the battery, or if we need to replace the battery, you can get to a location where you can replace that battery. So to jump start, you'll need to be able to get into the engine bay, and if your car is completely dead, you have to use the manual key to unlock the door, pop the hood, and then you can gain access to your battery. So our battery is located right here on the left hand side of the engine bay, which is our driver's side. You may have a cover over it. If not, no worries, but we have our positive and our negative, and we are going to take a set of jumper cables and we are going to connect to our negative here, or our positive. We're going to hook the red one to the positive, make a good connection there, and then you would hook up the connections on the other vehicle, being positive to positive, negative to negative on the battery, and then you'll come back to this vehicle and connect this to a good ground. If you have access and you can see the strut mount bolts, they are a very good ground. Depending on how low your battery is, if it's really dead, you'll want at least 10 to 15 minutes of just letting the other car run and charge up this battery enough so that you can start it and not cause an extra load on it. And then once you get this car started, then you'll be able to get it to where you can to be either fully charge the battery and or replace it if needs be. And then when that's all done and it's started, then you can unhook the negative here, unhook the connections from your donor vehicle, charging vehicle, and then we unhook the positive here and put that back down. So that's how you would jump start your vehicle on this Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.